What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of some USD pairs that giving us a significant trading opportunity. That includes Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, and NZD USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in all these three instruments. As you can see, this is the intraday or 4 hour time frame, and we see a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi time frame analysis. Then we will come back to this time frame to see how we can trade this instrument. Now first of all, let's look at the NZD bigger picture. Now if you look at the bigger picture, this is the monthly time frame, and we have seen that the past month NZD has given us a textbook bearish engulfer. Now if you look at the this bearish engulfer high and low, you can see that bearish engulfer crossed the previous one's high completely, crossed the previous one's low completely, and closed as a full body red with a long wick at the top. So that is a sign of strong bearish engulfer after this doji. Now we can see that this move can come down further, as this is a overall downtrending market, and we can aim this NZD to drop to this, at least to this level of support, or even maybe lower than this. That can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now looking at the weekly time frame, we saw that as expected according to my weekly forex forecast. As you have seen that after this bearish engulfer, this is what exactly expected. We saw that significant retracement to the upside, tested this bottom of this doji, this support as a resistance, and we saw that primarily rejection, and we can expect NZD now continue to drop. Now looking at the daily time frame, now daily past day we have seen after this doji a bearish candle also. That is also a bearish engulfer from this important level of support. Here you can see that this is a long term daily support broken. Now this same level, if you look at this, is testing as a resistance. If you draw this level of support, you can see that this is the support here, support here with an angular. If you draw this level, then it is testing as a resistance now on the lower time frame, and we can see that primarily it is rejecting to the downside. Now let's look at on the 4 hour time frame. Now we see that on the 4 hour there is a clear pattern that we can see. First of all, look at this here. This is a head and shoulder on the 4 hour time frame in this trend line, and with that head and shoulder we saw a breakdown, now followed by this current candle now is testing this previous neckline of this head and shoulder, support here, support here, testing as a resistance with this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame. And we can expect now NZD to continue to drop from here, as this is a very high area of value and this is a long term downtrend, and it is likely to continue to the downside. And this is what we are doing. We are waiting for the candle close for the possible shorting opportunity according to the rules of our strategies, if it satisfy all the rules. Now this is the NZD. Now let's look at Aussie dollar. Now these all are USD pairs. Now you can see that Aussie dollar has created the same kind of pattern, except it didn't test the 20 period moving average yet, as Aussie dollar is a little bit weaker than NZD, but the same kind of price action. If you look at this support on the 4 hour time frame, yet to be tested this support as resistance, but it even could may not test this support. As you can see, this support as a resistance, or it may test, but the price is almost there. In the same kind of price action, we are waiting for possible shorting opportunity to satisfy all the rules of our strategies according to our strategies. And with our VIP students, we will consider going short as soon as we will find trading opportunity. Now if you look at the euro dollar, as you can see, euro dollar is a bit weaker than NZD and AUD. You can see that euro dollar has a very strong breakdown. can see from here there is a strong breakdown followed by this little consolidation. Now this current 4 hour candle, you saw that it created a fake move of this 4 hour candle local resistance, and it is now currently below this resistance. So what I think that if euro dollar managed to close, which is highly likely that managed to below this resistance, if we draw this resistance here properly, we can see that euro dollar has created a move to the upside and then close back below. There is a high probability that we might see a drop from this zone to the downside, and that is what we will be taking the advantage of. If we see proper price action pattern according to the rules of our strategies, then we'll consider going short on euro dollar as well with a high risk to reward ratio. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.